Hello students, today I am going to start exercise 10.1 in which I am going to start the first question. See the first question. It is given to us, draw a line segment AB, then take a point C outside it. Through C draw a line parallel to AB using ruler and compass only. Okay, with the help of ruler and compass I need to draw a line segment AB and a line which is parallel to it. Okay, let's see first what you need to do. So before starting this, I want to tell you some more things. This is ruler. This is known as ruler. Okay, this is known as ruler. R-U-L-E-R. This one. And this is compass. What is it known as? This is known as compass. So with the help of ruler and compass, we need to draw a line parallel to AB. So at the beginning, what you need to do? First, you need to draw a line AB. What you need to draw? A line AB. I have drawn a line AB. What is the property of line? A line is a length which has no endpoints. So with these arrows, okay, this one and this one arrows, we are mentioning lines. Then afterward, I need to mark a point C outside it. Okay, so outside this line means anywhere but not on this line. Okay, I have to make a point which is named as C. Done. Then you have to take till that I have done draw a line segment AB. So this I am going to name it as AB. This is a line, sorry, not line segment. Then take a point C outside it. Now through C, what I need to do? Draw a line parallel to AB. I need to draw a line which is parallel to AB. What kind of lines are parallel lines? Which never intersect each other, like these. Okay, these lines will never intersect each other. So we have studied about the parallel lines. Now next, after that, what you need to do, you have to mark another point. I am going to name it as P. This is point P. Then through P point, then I need to draw or join these line. Which line I am talking about? Here I am talking about C and P. This one and this one. So C and P. So I am going to give you one suggestion. First, on the point you put your pencil, then attach scale, then check with the second point and move accordingly, then draw a line. Okay, so I am going to extend it. Okay, I am going to extend it. Then afterward, what I need to do? I need to draw an alternate interior angle. Then I am going to draw alternate interior angle. What kind of angle are these? Alternate interior angle. I already told you about the alternate interior angle in chapter lines and angles. For your memory, I am going to draw it. This and this. these are alternate interior angles. One angle this side and another angle this side. Okay, so here we have studied if the alternate interior angles are equal. If these two angles are equal, then these two lines are parallel. What if alternate interior angles are equal? Property I am going to write here. If alternate interior angles are equal, then the lines are drawn parallel. Okay, so if I'm going to make one alternate interior angle here and one angle here, and if the measure of these two angles are equal, then the line which is drawn from this point should be equal. So for this, what I need to do, from here you have to keep in mind and do your work very thoroughly, okay, without doing mistakes. Now see, x dash, then y, I need to make y dash. So for making y dash, what I need to measure, I need to measure the exact distance between x and x dash. So keep your pencil on that point. Okay, then afterward measure the exact distance, and this will be your y dash. Okay, so for this arc I drawn the point x and x dash, and for this arc I drawn the point y and y dash. After that, join the following points. So this will be the line which is parallel to AB. So this is the line which is parallel to AB. Okay, understand how you need to draw? So this is your question number 1, and I'm going to give the name of this line L and M. Now after that, I'm going to start next question number 2. Now question number 2, draw a line L, draw a perpendicular to L. So first I'm going to do this part. First I'm going to draw a line which is named as L. Okay, so draw a straight line. Okay, and take any point. Here I'm going to take point M. From M point I'm going to draw a perpendicular. Okay, so place the pointer of the compass on M. Then afterward, draw a semicircle. Okay, and mark these 2 points, x1, or this one is x2. Then open your compass more than half of point x1 and x2. Okay, see, it is more than half. Yes or no? Then place first arc and cut this arc from x2, and again mark this point, I mean point of intersection. Then join these 2 points. Which point? M, and where it is intersected, where the arcs are intersected. Join these 2. Okay, then afterward I'm going to extend this line. Okay, afterward it is given to you, on this perpendicular choose a point x 4 centimeter away from line L. This is line L. I need to choose a point x which is 4 centimeter away. So here I need to mark a line which is of 4 centimeter. So for this I need to take a scale, then measure 4 centimeter on it. 0, 2, 4. Okay, I have measured from 0 to 4. I need to measure. Then place the pointer of the compass on M and cut arc of 4 centimeter, and there you write X. This is point X. Then afterward from point X again I need to draw a perpendicular. Okay, either you can draw of the same radius, measure for this, measure M and X2. Okay, then draw arc or semicircle from this. Now you get two more points. This one you named as y1 and this one is y2. y1 and y2. Then open your compass more than half again, more than half of y1 y2 as I showed you here. Then cut arc. Is it okay? Then mark the point at the point of intersection of these arcs and join these points. Draw line. Then afterward you get a line which is parallel to L and named it as M. Here it shows that L is parallel to M. Okay, so this is question number 2. Now I am going to start question number 3. Now next question, let L be a line and P be a point not on L. P be a line not on L. First I am going to draw the first line. I mean what is saying in first line. So first let L be a line. I am going to draw a line L. Okay, this I have taken L. P be a point not on L. So P be a point not on L. So this is, I have taken the point P which is not on this line. Okay, this is the point P which is not on this line. Then afterward through P draw a line M parallel to L. Through P, from this point I need to draw a line which is parallel to L line. So for this I already told you what I need to do. The same thing I have to do in question number 3. Okay, so as like question number 1 and 2, the same thing I need to draw here. So first I'm going to mark a point which I'm going to take name as M. Not I'm going to give the name A. Okay, I'm going to give the name as A. Now I'm going to join A and P. Okay, I'm going to extend this line. So here also I need to draw what? I need to draw a alternate interior angle. What I need to draw? An alternate interior angle. Clear? So first I'm going to draw this, then afterward from this point. So first what I need to do, take compass, then after first I am drawn an arc, then from point P. Okay, then highlight these points. A1 and A2. This I am going to give the name B1, and then afterward I need to draw B2. So to draw B1 and B2, what you need to do? Measure A1, A2. A1, A2 and B1, B2 must be same. So this point will be B2. Join this. Okay, and this line you give name as M, which is parallel to M. L is parallel to M. Okay, now join P to any point on Q. Now join P to any point on Q. After that, what you need to do, take a point Q on line L. So I have taken this point Q on this line L. Then afterward I need to join this. Okay, I need to join this P and Q. Then afterward choose any other point R on M. Now I have to choose any other point which is named as R on M. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. From this, okay, I'm going to change the point. I'm going to take R point here. Okay. Through R, draw a line parallel to PQ. I need to draw a line which is parallel to PQ. So for this kind of condition, I'm going to draw corresponding angle. Okay, what I need to draw? I'm going to draw corresponding angle. So for this, I'm suggesting you to measure B2 and P. Then from R, draw semicircle of the same radius which you have taken earlier. Okay. This you will take as B3. I have to draw a parallel line of PQ. So the point should be on PQ. So this is the point which is on PQ and named it as B. Now measure B1 and B3. B2 and B3, measure it. The same measure you will, and here I'm going to give the name C. This is C1. Now I am going to draw C2. C2 must be equal to B2 and B3. So C1 C3, B2 B3 is must be equal to C2 C1 C2. Okay. Now join these 2 points R and C2. Now you get a line which is parallel to PQ. And where it is meet, this point you name it as S. PQRS. Okay. What shape do the two sets of parallel lines enclose? So this and this. So here we know that the line PQ and the line RS are parallel. Okay. Also we know that the PR is equals to QS. Sorry, parallel to QS. Why? Because L is parallel to M. Okay, here I have done. So by this we get PQ SR. PQSR is a parallelogram. Okay, so this is our question number 3. Exercise 10.2 I will start tomorrow. That's all for the today. And the statements, or you can say step of constructions, you have to try by own self. I will give you examples how to write the step of construction. Okay, based on this you have to write the remaining step of construction of the remaining questions by own self. That's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.